I'm joining in with one of my new friends, and it's going to be spring decorating with me for 2022. Let's see what I did. Please go over and check out her channel. She did an awesome job decorating her home for spring also.
Guess where we're at again, guys? At my daughter's house at Debbie's.
And today we are doing a spring spring tablescape. And come on in and let's see what we got. So starting off, I got my mom's chargers, and then I added these orange plates. Normally I would never buy orange, but because it goes so well with some of the spring items that I have, I thought it would be okay to buy two. And I got them at the Dollar Tree of all places, so.
Works in good with the carrots, doesn't it?
Yeah, so.
Why don't you carefully lift up all the plates and just show the charger, and then we'll do that, and that way in the video. Know what I'm trying to say?
All right, so we'll remove this so you can see
what the charger
how
looks.
I built it.
There's the charger, and that was one of mine.
And I like it because it's a little off-white, and it has a little touch of gold in it.
And that came from Pier 1 Import.
Oh, okay, Pier 1. And then here's my lovely orange plate.
That came from Dollar Tree.
I would never ever use that on my tablescape, but I'm building a beautiful tablescape, so it's okay. I won't see it that much. And then look at these cute little bunny plates. They were my mom's.
And I bought them about 3 years ago from Home Goods, or maybe 4. They're not new.
Did you like how I say they were my mom's?
I don't want to hear that.
Oh my gosh, you didn't catch on.
And you know, I should have brought, I think I have the salt and pepper shaker that goes to those.
Oh well, next year.
Yeah, I do have them. I probably should bring them over here for you can put them, pack them away for we have them together for next year.
Yes. And then I got these from Tuesday Morning, and they're cute little bunnies. And so, like, I wanted the orange plates because it'll pick up the orange and the carrots.
So we've put a lot of orange in this one and carrot theme, sort of.
Mm-hmm. And so, you see, this doesn't really go exactly, but it's okay because there's these greens in different areas of the table. So, we're good. I love it. It doesn't have to always be matchy-matchy like my mom says.
Yeah.
And then my napkin and napkin rings.
Are they
those
not
cute?
So cute.
So the placemat and the napkins came from the 99-cent store, and the napkin ring came from Home Goods.
I would have never thought that the placemat came from the 99-cent store.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
It looks very nice.
And then we just paired it with, I put some little carrots here on the corner just to bring more of the orange in.
So really, I do want to mention, most of the stuff you're seeing here are not something we bought for this. These are things we've already used in past posts. There are a few new things, but we're not going into the cost of everything on this one because it's pretty big. But a lot of these items we've had for quite a few years.
Yeah, and even the ones that I recently bought are not too expensive at all. So.
And some of them have been used in past posts.
Yeah. So again, we got our little carrots. We've got in our drinking glass, our wine glass.
And these she already had. They were her private ones.
I have tons of wine glasses because
I don't know why that would be, Debbie.
Because I have tons of wine. I don't know why I need a bunch of different glasses. I mean, you only need one glass.
Well, you're waiting for a wine party.
Yeah. And then this is new. I just got it this last week.
I love the color and the finish and all the little bumps and everything.
Yeah, this is cute. I love the little finial on it.
And that's glass too, isn't it? It's beautiful.
Yeah. So we haven't used that one yet, but I thought I'd put it in here, and the color really goes well with the Mackenzie Childs salt and pepper shaker.
And that blue matches perfectly.
Yeah, because look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, you're not in it, Mom.
Oh, I'm over here, wrong place.
Yeah, but look at how pretty that is. So I had no idea that was gonna match. So that was pretty good.
And the other egg, look how put that one next to it. That's the one I thought would match perfect. Look at that. You can't hardly tell the difference.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it looks like it it went with it. The only thing is the pattern's different, but that's okay because you can have mix and matched patterns, and that's the beauty of doing a tablescape, because it doesn't have to. And actually, it looks better when it doesn't all matchy because then it's too harsh on the eyes. So when you see different materials or different patterns, your eye just is drawn to it. So.
Yeah.
So, and then in the back, I have these two little trees that I got from the 99-cent store. I think they were $2.99 or $3.99, and I did use that in my.
Oh, they've been on other posts.
And
I love how the pots are finished off at the bottom.
Yeah.
They look expensive.
And I think they were I want to say either $2.99 or $3.99 a piece. So I thought that was really good because this greenery up here, it's pretty good quality.
And if you went and bought that over at Hobby Lobby, you probably could find something similar. It would have cost you $6 probably just for the ball.
Yeah, I'm sure if I would have got this at a different store, it probably would have been no less than maybe $10, $12. So
I was just talking the ball for.
Oh well, I'm talking about the whole thing. I mean, even at a cheaper Ross store or something like that. And then my mom had these. I don't know where you got those.
Probably in Dollar Tree.
The Dollar Tree, but they're not bad looking. And then
No.
we just put a little bit, we put some eggs in it just to kind of bring some color into
And
it.
I use a lot of that kind of floral in my home anyway. That's why when I saw them, I said, let me get a pair because they would fit great in the cozy corner.
Right.
Because they're small.
And then the other side is exactly the same, plate settings anyways. And then on this side of the table, I have my sugar and creamer set.
You're in focus.
And then
She added a little bow
I
to make
added
it
a little bow, just
to
give it
dress
some feminine touch. And
And
then
let's check about the centerpiece Grandma made.
yes, and those flowers came from the 99-cent store, and I thought again those were pretty cute for. I want to say it was a dollar for each pick, so there was 5 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, there's 5.
There's 5. And then my mom added a little bit of white from something that she had already done.
The Dollar Tree.
Okay. And that little bunny was already using another post, and I got that at Hobby Lobby on the 40% off sale. But doesn't he look cute sitting in there, like hiding in the flowers?
And everything on the bunny matches the flower because we have yellow in it in the flower arrangement. We have pink in it, and purple.
A little bit of purple. It's kind of dark in there.
There's a purple flower.
There you go.
So, and then we got the purple flowers right here. So, of course, you want to tell them what those really are?
So that, where is that thing?
It's right over, hang on.